January 24th, 2023. 2023 Doomsday Clock announcement. This year, the Science and Security Board of the Bulletin of Atomic Scientist moves the hands of the Doomsday Clock forward, largely, but not exclusively, due to the mounting dangers of the war in Ukraine. The clock now stands at 90 seconds to midnight, the closest it's ever been to global catastrophe. Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the Doomsday Clock, which is meant to represent how close humanity is from a self-created global catastrophe that changes the world forever. The Doomsday Clock is a symbolic representation of the likelihood of global catastrophe, focusing on three types: nuclear war, global climate change, and disruptive technologies, mostly focused on biological technologies,